Hello again, friends. This is Mike. I'm going to upload this little outline to my blog on my website at mylegacycloud.com. That'll be linked here in the video. But I just want to talk about something called an AI tagging pipeline and how that might work for scrapbooks. So a scrapbook is generally something that's large format. I was using this the other day for some larger documents, but I wanted to get the borders also. A lot of applications, including PhotoMine, when you take photographs or pictures of photographs and you're digitizing the photograph itself, it usually crops out the border. The scrapbook feature grabs everything. Anyway, so in this particular example for this pipeline, I use PhotoMine to upload the scrapbook pages, and then I feed that document, that digital document, into Mylio. And there's a way to automatically ingest all this in the Mylio. Mylio does all the cool stuff, steps 2, 3, and 4. It does the AI analysis. If you've got people already in Mylio that it recognizes the faces, it'll pick those up. It'll pick up any objects or text or dates that it recognizes. Objects like the beach or mountains or ocean, whatever. It'll let you say, show me everybody at the ocean in 1950, for example. Smart tagging, it'll recognize people, events, places, and dates. And then it organizes the output in searchable albums. So you can create albums by year. You can create albums by event. I create albums for my college that I went to, and or different organizations I belong to. Motorcycles, for example, I have an album for motorcycles. But you can do all that in Mylio, and it works great, and you can share all that. The fifth step that I have here is integration. So generally, what I do is anything I grab that's genealogy related, I put that into Family Tree Maker, and my Family Tree Maker syncs with Ancestry.com. That all happens automatically also. So, or you can put it into Ancestry if you want. Then it'll sync to Family Tree Maker. The reason I like Family Tree Maker, why do I have both, is because Ancestry is kind of the leader in terms of online genealogy, but Family Tree Maker, in my humble opinion, is the leader in terms of uh, presenting that data in beautiful and innovative ways. You can make charts, you can make scrapbooks, you can make presentations. It's a really cool way to share the data that you have in your ancestry or your genealogy programs. So this is what it's called, an AI tagging pipeline for scrapbook preservation. And again, this will be up at my blog at mylegacycloud.com. Thanks.